Look what I woke up to this morning. 15 centimeters of snow. There's no raccoons. They are gone for a while. They may come out tonight because it's above zero in our temperature. And I got the decks all cleaned off just in case. And I haven't had a chance to work in the barn lately. Just too much going on in the house, getting everything ready there. So, one thing about that tin roof, the snow slides off it. The snowblower worked perfect, as you see. I got both driveways done, got the car cleared off. There's not much left in the old barn. Everything's pretty much out of there. I'm going to keep the snowblower in there for now. Because my barn is powered and the snowblower's electric start. I like to do it that way rather than yanking the... Anyway, here's the old girl there. And she had her first dip in the snow. So what I got to do, I got to take all these little hangers off of my shovels, and I have to put boards up like you got here and hang all my shovels up, but that won't be today. I got too much going on today. And this thing here is great. Keeps all the snow off you. Anyway, it works good. It's a good high power thing, big cat hunter. So when I tear the barn down, all this is going with it because this is all rusted out. But I'm taking all the light fixtures out. They're all coming out. Switches, the underground wire, everything's going to come out and go into the new one. And I usually do that myself. I installed the wiring in this one. So, and that was 2001 I put that in. It's still going. So, yeah, see the snow starting to fall off the new roof now. And I blew a path here for the raccoons. I cleaned out the steps for them. And I have to keep the deck clean for them. That's going to be going in the shed, that bench. I don't leave that out for the winter. So I keep that cleaned off of them. Yeah, a lot of snow came down. Now this is a winter wonderland. Oh, there's Charlotte. Charlotte. I just see the top of her head. Charlotte. Yeah, they're always keeping an eye on me. And Donnie down his yard with the with his little plow. He said, I was going to do yours, but I figured you want to play with your new machine. So this is the area I got cleared off to put some apples and feed out for the deer. We're going to start doing the deer. And it won't take long for them to come once they smell the apples. So that's where we're doing that. Whew. Yeah, walk under the roof and have all the snow fall down on you, why don't you? I gotta go to Walmart today. I gotta get some more Christmas cards made up. Anyway, we'll go in the house. Nice and warm in the house. I can put that bread out too for the crows. I've got the place cleared for them. Now, oh, they're both in here. There's the Charlotte cat. Charlotte cat, and this is a Connor cat. That's a Connor cat. Yes, he is. Nice and warm, snug as just snug as a bug in a rug. You didn't come out and shovel the snow, did you? No. We're all done down here except for I got to hang the closet doors. Yeah, I got all the baseboards in. They're all in. So, this is the last room we had to do. Connor got his bed back. Everything's back. This is the only thing I got to hang them doors. I got to take 1/4 inch off each one because of the carpet is up a little high, so TV for Connor to watch his cartoons on. I got my computer back up and running. I missed that one because all my contacts are in it. So anyway, everything's back up where it should be. Smell the fresh paint. Curtains are all washed. Yeah, and I'll be looking for another job to do. Anyway, this is all empty. Remember how full it was? So, and these pieces are no good. That big long one is. I'll keep this one here. These two are going up in the garbage Monday. Throw them out there. And the paint can. You throw the paint can out as long as they're all emptied and dried out. See, you can throw them out. That's it, and this is going back in the shed. That's a little temporary workbench, and I got another fancier one out there, but I haven't got it together yet. Okay, anyway people, that's it for now, and the music room's all back up, and nothing's plugged in yet, so I can't play. Alright. Well, we'll see you later. Maybe we might get lucky and get a raccoon tonight. Bye-bye.